Hello cupcakes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing this Deadpool impersonating Spider-Man look. Let's get into the video. I've already applied my bald cap and glued down my brows. Now I'm going to start sketching out where Spider-Man's costume is going to be and where the pulled portion is going to be where Deadpool is going to be under it. I'm just going to be drawing all of this out with a lip liner. They're so much easier to use lip liners. They're so smooth when they go on. You can definitely skip this part and just go right into painting, but I do like to start with a rough draft so I can get a good idea of what I'm going to be laying down. I'm going to be working on Spider-Man's side first just because this is a bigger area. So with red body paint, I'm just going to be coating all of that area that's going to be Spider-Man's side. I do about 2 layers, especially on top of the bald cap because it usually has a tendency to be see-through if you only do 1 layer. I'm painting the underside of my arms blue to match the Spider-Man suit. I'm following a reference image of Spider-Man's costume, and he does have white webbing, and then on the side it's a black outline. So I'm laying down the black eyeshadow first, and then I'm going to be taking the white body paint on top to do the webbing. I'm getting started on the webbing by laying down a white body paint. Because it's going on top of the black, it's going to be very thin, so I do about 2 layers of the white body paint just to ensure that it is very white. Comment down below and tell me who your favorite Spider-Man is, because I love Tobey Maguire, but I also really love Tom Holland. In the reference image where each of the pieces of web are all connecting, where there's like 4 pieces connecting, there is a rhomboid shape to symbolize each of them connecting. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just drawing out that shape in between each of those connecting web pieces. In black body paint, I'm drawing the spider for this Spidey suit. Now I'm going to get started on doing the eyepiece, so I'm going to be laying down this white body paint first. It's a lot easier to do white and then do the black outline after the white has already dried. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is just filling in all of this area with the white body paint. With black body paint, I'm drawing out the outline for that eyepiece. With a flat eye brush, I'm just taking some white body paint and adding a little bit of white body paint to that black outline to give it a little bit of dimension and shape. And then I'm going to be going in with black eyeshadow to create some dimension and make it appear round and that it's sitting on top of the costume instead of it being a part of it. I'm adding some black eyeshadow to the eyepiece as well because I want to give the appearance that it is a little bit further back. It's Deadpool time. So on this side, I'm just following a reference image of Deadpool's costume and I'm filling in this eyepiece first with black body paint. It's going to be much easier to do this part first because once you add the red, it does seem like it gets a little confusing. With red body paint, I'm just going to fill in all of that area where you see my skin. Using white body paint, I'm now going to start doing the dimensions for his eye cover. And it's kind of hard to explain this, so you're just going to have to watch me do it. In white body paint, I'm going to outline that eye piece. In black body paint, I'm drawing on the stitching for his costume. With black body paint, I'm starting to draw out a border between the Spider-Man suit and the Deadpool suit so you can start seeing the difference, and then I'm going to start working on the folds for the costumes. To make this look a bit realistic, I'm drawing some folds and creasing in the suits where it's going to be looking like the Deadpool suit is lifting up that Spider-Man suit. So I'm just drawing some very random pulls on the material to create wrinkles and folds. It would be a little bit more realistic if you used a dark red for the folds, but I am using black body paint to create the folds because I do want it to seem very apparent about what I'm doing in this look. With black eyeshadow, I'm just adding dimension and shadow into those creases where I think that shadow would be at. With white body paint, I'm adding highlights to where I think the folds would have a highlight. Lastly, I'm going to be taking black eyeshadow to create a shadow where Deadpool's suit is, where that material looks like it's lifting up. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!